Hello and welcome to a demonstration of MediaPulse. In the next few minutes, we will go over how to use formatting rules in the Report Writer to control a field's visibility on reports and forms in MediaPulse. Wouldn't it be nice to conditionally hide fields from your reports or forms when they aren't being used? The MediaPulse Report Writer has the ability to hide fields based on the data in the report being run. In this example, we will hide the tax value on an invoice form only when the value is 0.00. To begin, let's log into the Smart Client. Navigate to System, Layouts. Filter for the Invoice Form Modern Layout. Right-mouse click this layout to duplicate the row. Let's first rename this layout by clicking on the ellipses. Next, make sure this layout is active. Then click OK for the layout properties. In the resulting layout window, go to the Report tab. This is where you can edit the report. In this example, we will edit the report to hide the tax value only when the value is 0. Let's first navigate and click on the field L Tax Total. If you click on the blue arrow icon, it will open the Table Cell Tasks window. Next, click the Formatting Rules ellipses. Then select Edit Rule Sheet. Let's click the plus sign to add a new formatting rule. In the Design field, enter Hide Tax if Null. Next, select the Condition row under Behavior and click on the ellipses on the right to open the Condition Editor. Let's enter this code to the top box and click OK to save. Now, click on the visible row and select No from the drop-down. Close the Formatting Rules editor. Next, select Hide Tax if Null and click the button to move it to the rules applied to a control area. Click OK. Now, click on the Currency Tax Total field and click the resulting blue arrow. Click the Formatting Rules ellipses. Select Hide Tax if Null and click the button to move it to the rules applied to a control area. Save and close the layout. Let's return to MediaPulse to view our new invoice form layout. Navigate to Job Management, Invoices, and let's search for an invoice that we know has a tax total populated. Click the Preview Invoice Form button. Now choose your new layout. Note the tax total value shows on the form. Now, let's view an invoice we know does not have a tax value. Again, click Preview Invoice Form. This time, let's choose the standard modern layout. Note how the tax total value is 0.00. Now, let's select our new layout. As you can see, the tax total value does not show on the form. This was a short MediaPulse demonstration of how to use formatting rules in the Report Writer to control fields' visibility on reports and forms. For more tips and tricks on MediaPulse, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@xytechsystems.com.